What the fuck is that?
The Volkswagen Bug.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Isn't the engine over? Wait a minute. Isn't that where the engine is?
Yeah.
That's the design flaw.
Flower power. Literally. Fuck this fucking caravan. Already.
I don't think there's been one caravan I've liked on this entire trip.
The yellows.
Apparently there's a ton of those fucking down south. That's
Yeah.
what they do out here. Like Kentucky, Indiana was all the same shit. Last, oh, actually, my group was Kentucky. Oh my god, thank you, Jesus, because I've had enough of your fucking. You forgot one fucking. Oh.
Kentucky's a lot cooler looking than fucking Indiana.
And Indiana's a lot cooler than Illinois.
Yeah.
Then upgrade all stuff. Oh, that Red Bull. That Red Bull got me going.
Red Rock. Kinda.
Brown Rock?
Red Rock.
Brown Rock.
Red Rock.
Oh, this is crazy looking. I'm not used to this shit.
The rocks are like way different.
Yeah, and everyone oohs and ahs over that
Dude,
shit, too.
motorbike, dirt bike. Fucking ripping around. Fuck.
It's like it's lunch break and I'm bored and I got this here 250.
Quitting.
It's a big ass boat.
Yeah, it looks like a fishing boat.
Motherfucking cemetery. Jesus Christ.
Like, man, they got motherfucking flowers on every goddamn grave in some of these. Rocks.
My bike's smooth again. This is so fucking weird.
You're what?
My bike is running smooth again. This is so fucking weird.
Yeah, it probably got hot.
Yeah, maybe.
Some carburetors don't like to get hot.
I'm fuel injected, damn it. We inject fuel through the carburetor.
You left me all alone. Ooh. Pointy rock. Stopping. Bag. Sport bag. Suzuki. Sixer. Next stop, Parker's Lake. Douchebag scooter disconnected me. Or he's just being quiet, listening to me fucking blast. Daniel Boone National Forest. That's supposed to be big. Real big. Real nice. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Parker's Lake. And advisor. Junkyard Pottery. Huh. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, you forgot the sunscreen in your face.
I did. Fuck. That explains why it's burning right now.
It didn't look that bad, but
No, it did. So I'm not super worried about it, but
it'll get worse.
it's gonna get worse. Damn, well, did you put your fucking hearing aid on in the last 10 minutes? You can hear me now.
We're going slower. My excuse.
Piss me off.
Oh, pretty.
Pretty fucking nice.
Flowers in a tree.
Got that at my house. I'm gonna be a dick. Okay. Fuck you. That's right. My shoe is hanging out. Motherfucker. Woo! Oh, that's a butt massage right there. There we go. Yeah. Woo!
Living large.
See, you're all about the license plates, man. Ever since we left, you're like, where's the plates at? I gotta check these motherfuckers out.
It's like, I like everything that's different.
Oh, is that why you like me? Because I'm different?
Yeah, you're so fucking stupid. Oh my god, you just flung fucking garbage up into me.
welcome.
Whatever that piece of paper or cardboard was hit me.
Yeah, it looked like a hot dog thing. I swerved around it and when I realized what it was, yeah, whatever.
Looks like fucking charcoal coming out of the ground.
Maybe it is. Or, what does charcoal come out as? Some kind of rock, right?
No, actually, that's not charcoal. It's just coal. I was wrong. Like, charcoal is actually, like, burned wood.
Really?
But coal is out of the ground like rock.
Right. I didn't know. Okay. What the fuck is that? Oh, tire. Tire everywhere.
I'm pretty sure those, like, charcoal bricks are, like, compressed burned wood. The shit they use in the fucking in the trains and shit, or in power plants is out of the ground. I don't know.
Fully catching up to these bikes.
I know the ground is black in some of these spots. You see that?
No, I haven't seen it yet. I want to look, because the last time I didn't look at the road, I ran a red light and almost died. I don't want to die.
Somebody did a donut right in the middle of a fucking road back there.
There's another one. Holy fucking wind. We're gonna ride up, these guys gonna be like Hell's Angels or some shit.
Dude, we haven't got to ride with anybody yet.
I know.
First chance in days.
I think these guys are traveling too. I can't tell.
They're what?
I think they're traveling too. I can't tell.
They got a helmet strapped on.
Helmets, and it looks like the guy on the right's got some bags.
Yeah, the helmets kind of make it look like they're traveling, yeah. Because, like, state to state.
Yeah. Like, we don't wear helmets, but some states you kind of gotta.
Yeah, in Nebraska they do. I don't know what else around here, though.
Right?
Maybe Tennessee. Shit.
Whew. The wind's making my bike all tippy. Also, the front tire makes my bike so much more easier to move.
I wonder if,
So easy to maneuver.
I wonder how much air they put in it.
I don't know, it's a good question. They used to ride streets, so I'm sure he did it right.
Hey, we're on GoPro with some fucking hoglies.
Some hoglies. $19 more miles, and then we turn.
Mine says 22.
Your GPS also says 16 more miles than we're taking.
The mile per hour is off from my phone's GPS also. By 3 miles per hour.
Yeah, but it says, your GPS says 16 more physical miles, though. For some fucking reason.
We're still in the Daniel Boone Forest. That fucker is huge.
Dude, yeah, I know, I seen it on the map, this thing's like fucking huge.
I think that's what this whole national forest, it's national, not state. It's a fucking federal forest.
Because it goes through like 3 states. See how big it was?
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, the Smoky Mountains are probably part of it.
Yeah, that's probably us. We'll probably be in this for the rest of the trip. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, fucking yeah.
What the fuck?
Where we're from, you can't get lost in the woods. You just go for you just walk for about half an hour and you're out.
Man, oh shit. I always watch on TV. Kids lost in woods. I'm like, how, nigga? Just walk the fuck out.
Yeah, it'd be easier to get lost in the cornfield where we're from.
I don't think they want to ride with us.
I think they're just giving us a chance to pass if we want. Or maybe they want us to go alongside and form up.
I doubt that very much.
Where does it say they're from?
Let's see if they,
See if they'll follow us. I think that's Indiana. Yeah, I think those are Indiana. Is this a yellow?
Yeah. It's a goal.
Some of these yellows are pretty fucking orange.
Yeah. I thought I had to stop too.